if you need someone to paint your house. Don't call me, I hate painting. Today is the day. Mark my words. Today I am gonna finish painting this room. I'm gonna move all of this stuff out. Progress so far. It's not much, I guess, but I painted this whole thing. I still have some spots missing. Those and around. Maybe a little bit down there. Should be easy when I get up there. The problem is those things on the side. I'd have to use the ladder. But I'm gonna take a break for now. Just got a message that quesadilla is on the way. I am starving. I haven't ate anything all day other than the overnight oats. So right now I'm gonna chill, maybe watch some K-pop vids as per usual. And I'll get back to this after I eat. I finally finished painting down here. The closet is all done. I mean, like the painting. Tomorrow we're gonna go to Home Depot and purchase a bunch of stuff to actually do the closet system. I think that's it for today. Tomorrow I should be able to finish all this stuff tomorrow. I said earlier, mark my words, I'm gonna finish painting today, and I didn't. Well, you know, this was kind of the plan to not finish. Yeah, excuses. Yeah, bye. We just got back from Home Depot, and we got all of the plywood we need. We bought the 3/4 of an inch radiata pine plywood, and this one is like almost 40 bucks, and it's pretty straight. And then it has one side that is pretty smooth, but I still have to sand it down later. Right now, I'm just doing some measurements to make sure that, you know, it fits in our closet. I am going to put some shelf pin holes. I was supposed to buy this Craig shelf pin jig, but Home Depot didn't have it, so I'm just gonna make do of just drilling it. I'm just gonna measure the length from here to here, and then just gonna put a straight line down, same as this side. And then I'm gonna paint. I didn't finish painting yesterday, but the ones that I did finish, they look pretty good. So it's these ones. They look really smooth. Those. And I actually still have to paint this. That's the top shelf. And then I have to paint these. These are the supports when we combine those parts. And then also the shelves. I am officially done painting. I'm gonna take a break, finish this tamarindo drink, and then I'm gonna take some of the pieces back up and then assemble upstairs. Good morning, today is assemble day. We've kind of finished one, well, not really finished, but this is so far is what we have. I figured I needed to make like a platform thing here, so I made more of these supports to put right here, and then I'm gonna put another piece of shelving down here, so it's kind of like a platform. I had to cut up the trim using the oscillating tool. It was pretty easy, and then I took it off with a hammer and a scraper. Pretty much all day. Today I assembled the cabinets, and then, which was harder than I thought, probably because I didn't have the right tools and stuff, or I screwed it into the beams. So right now this is what it looks like. I didn't screw it into the wall right here because I don't know, I feel like it's gonna be cockeyed if I do. And here's the other side. It's just annoying to me that I have these mirrored walls or mirrored doors. So right now it looks pretty messy. This is the caulk right here. It got kind of messy because I didn't know how to work the caulking gun. The one that I had before was different. You just press it and the thing comes out, and if you don't press it, it doesn't come out. Well, this one, Still comes out if you don't press it. You gotta like press on something. That's what it looks like. It's messy here, but I think I'm just gonna paint this white so it looks like it's one whole cabinet, but that's the wall of the closet. The room is a mess. Look at the room. Oh my god. After this, I need to do a good cleanup. That will be it for today. So much for watching the video. I really enjoyed this whole process. It really made me happy, so I think I'm just gonna keep going, keep doing little projects here and there in the house. I really love home improvement videos, so I think I'm just gonna keep doing this. My estimate for this project is around $150 for the materials. I already have all of the tools, well, most of the tools that I needed, like circular saws and drills and stuff. That's why I decided to make my own instead of buying it ready-made from the store. Cabinet systems usually cost around $200 to high $700s depending on how you want it to look like. So for this project to be only $150, I'm really happy that I did it myself, and also the satisfaction of me living in this house and thinking that I did that. Like, I did that. I'm pretty proud of myself for doing this. Just try it out yourself. This is also not a tutorial. This is just my journey and how I do stuff. And I am not a professional builder or carpenter, so don't judge me, but I'm willing to learn. If you have any more tips for me, or you saw something that I did wrong, just let me know. I'm willing to learn. Thank you so much for watching again, and see you next time. Bye. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google.